won that money. You know, that was a while ago. Did you get them pictures I sent you?